Alright, now let's see how we can remove a specific record from a given CSV file. So here we created the latest underscore data.csv, and let's say I want to remove the process details from this CSV that matches the ID that is 1000. So let's remove that CSV or this record from this CSV. So the first thing, we need to import the given CSV. So I will create a variable and import the CSV and assign that data into this variable. So dash path, and then the path is latest underscore data.csv, and yeah, and now we can do that, but we need to filter the records and insert that record, the filtered record, into another CSV file or the existing CSV file. So to do that, we can let's say filtered underscore data is equal to data, and then 5 this to for each object, and then we have to add condition like whenever the process ID is 1000, then script that one and insert the other data into a CSV, latest CSV. So or assign that to this variable, and we have to add dollar. So now what I want to do is dollar underscore dot ID, it is process ID, and that is not equal to the 1000, then add that to this variable. So now if I do that, this will have all the CSV records except this one. So now what I want to do is add this to the given CSV. So now I will the filter underscore data into Export-CSV. Export-CSV is right here. Now the dash path flag, and we have to pass the path to the CSV. So I will pass the existing latest underscore data.csv because I just want to remove the record from that and leave it as that. So now we can do like no type information, and as well as the force flag. If I save this, come here to the terminal, and let's execute the script.ps1. Now if I come here to latest underscore data.csv, it has nothing, empty. So let's see what we have done wrong. Let's revert to changing by pressing Ctrl Z. So now I will save this and exit that. We have to check what is wrong here. So let's see if the filtered underscore data has some record. So if I write host the filtered data and execute the script, it has true values, boolean values, which mean we have something wrong in our loop. So let's do one thing. I will create an empty object or ps custom object, let's say. So ps custom object, and it has nothing, it's completely empty. And then we will like import the records into this, or we can like just create a custom object like this. And now here we can add condition like for each update, then remove this new line and set if condition like if dollar underscore dot id there is dash equal to 1000, and skip this one, or let's say continue, and otherwise come here and append data into this CSV file variable. So plus equal to, and then dollar underscore. So now if I save this, come here to the terminal and execute, we have an error that you cannot append data like so. Let's remove again. So we can do one thing, like instead of using for each, we can use the where object. So let's say as we did before, like filter data and the data into, instead of like for each object, we can that to where object. So we have the where object, and here we can add condition like the dollar underscore ID underscore ID is not equal to the 1000. And now if I save this, come here to the terminal and clear the screen and execute, we have objects. As you can see, the dashes, and we can import this into another CSV. But let's see, as you can see, we have the 1000 here, so we have to pass dot here, and let's see. So now if I come here, 1188, so now we do not have the 1000 process ID in this new object. So now we can export these objects into another CSV file or the existing CSV file. So now let's uncomment this line, and this latest underscore data will have the records, but this the process with the 1000 ID will be removed. So now if I save this, come here and execute the script. Now if I locate the latest CSV, and as you can see, now the 1000 record is now removed. So you can see right here. So that is how we can remove or delete a record and from a given CSV file. So now there is like a complete CRUD operation. So you can add data into a CSV, you can edit or update data in that CSV, you can delete data from that CSV. See you in the next section.